Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SAP SuccessFactors, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type the URL for the SAP SuccessFactors login page. Press enter to navigate to the page. Once the page loads, locate the login field. Enter your username in the username box. After entering your username, proceed to the password field. Type your password carefully in the password box. Double-check your entries for accuracy. Look for the checkbox that allows you to stay logged in. If you wish to remain logged in on this device, click the checkbox. Once you've confirmed your credentials, click the Login button. Wait for the system to process your information. If your login is successful, you'll be directed to the SAP SuccessFactors dashboard. In case you encounter an error, review your username and password. If forgotten, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the various sections available to access different functionalities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.